So this has also been on my heat pad here. This blue pad is at 75 degrees Celsius. So the phone itself is quite toasty. Hoping this should get me in. Question is, where's the screen and the frame begin? Looking at it, I suspect that the screen starts, well, the screen has a plastic frame around it, so it should be a gap here. Hopefully I have a bit of luck. I can get this to lift up and get a pry tool in there. Otherwise I have to go a metal pry tool and try and go between the gap. Like so. Like that. Now if it's like that, should be able to use something like this to go in there. And continue around the phone. No, we stuck back down. And now if the glass extra cracked, it's a little bit more challenging to get in there. Go. Go, fold it open like a book. Like that. Keep going around with this. Fold it open. Next up we have a T screwdriver of some variety. I'm not too sure which one just yet. I'm going to assume it's a T4 or a T5. Holding that little metal cover over it. Nope, that one is a T5. Let's get a bit smaller. T4. That was smaller again. My other toolkit. What have we got here? Let's try. Is it 1.2? Very close. I'll give that a shot. Nope, that's a T3 that I've got in there. Loosened it. Now I'm not sure if we have to run the pairing tool for the under-screen fingerprint scanner on the 6As. Do you know the 6 and the 6 Pro you do? That launched sky high. Luckily didn't go very far. One bracket. Now I do know that this phone is switched off, so that is fine. And go down here and flick this up. Now I'll try a nail. Nope. There we go. We're now lifted and removed. We have a look in comparison to the replacement display. See that we're very, very, very similar. Just looking at the little dint here, which I didn't spot before, which is very odd for a new display. Anyway, I want to clean up some of the adhesive. with just a small flathead screwdriver, just in case there's any glass shards in there. What I'm going to do is just run a bead of B7000 frame adhesive around this. Okay. Mightn't actually worry about it for the rest of it. That's looking pretty good. So now it should be a matter of taking this off, folding that down, trying not to rip that up, and take this off. Go. Should be a matter of connecting up this cable. Actually, I'll put the frame adhesive down first. So, go. I'm going to turn off my heat now. Just line this up over the top, push down to lock into position. Might be a bit hard to capture this on film as it's not a very long cable. Just a bit of line it up over, push down, it should snap into position. Go, that's snapped on. Okay, that's connected. That is the correct way. This is very odd. May have bent slightly when I did get that out. So they're struggling. I don't believe I've got it around the wrong way, but we'll give it a try. No, simple as that. That goes there. And that screws in. And this closes up over the top. Before I fully push it down and seal it, I'm just going to give it a quick test, stick it on charge, make sure everyone's okay, and from there we'll complete that. this is tested out just fine, which is good considering it's a brand new screen from iFixit, selling genuine Google parts. What I'm expecting is I should just hopefully be able just to softly push it around, and it should just click into some clips. The glue's there more just for waterproofing, moisture proofing. There we go. With that pushed back into position, hopefully that's helped you replace the screen on your Google Pixel 6a. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.